Hello there, this is another Teach Learn Regents review video. Today we're going to be looking at, again, the June 2013 Algebra 2 / Trig Regents. Today we're going to be looking at question number 29 of the short answer. It's the second question in the short answer. And the question is, solve algebraically for x, log with a base of 27, 2x minus 1 equals 4 to the third. 4 over 3, my bad. So when you're looking at any log question, and you have to solve for x, the best idea to think of it is this acronym log/dan equals DNA. What this is a great it's a great way to memorize how to actually solve for logs. So the logger part in the acronym is the log itself. The dan is the base, that becomes the d. The argument, this part right here, the 2x minus 1, is called the argument of the log. That is the a, and whatever it is equivalent to, whatever it equals, is n. So when log/dan equals DNA, what that means is this whole thing, this whole equation equals d to the n power equals a. So that becomes the base raised to whatever the whole log expression equals. So that's 4 over 3 equals a, my bad, which is the argument. So 2x minus 1. So you end up getting 27 to the 4 over 3 over the 4 thirds equals 2x minus 1. Now what makes this tricky is the 4 over thirds part in the exponent. So the way to look at this is whatever the denominator is, that's the root you're finding of the whole d part, the base. So if it was a 2, you'd find the square root of 27. Since it's a 3, it's a cube root. If it was 4, it would be the fourth root, and so on and so on. So that means the 27, so it's the cube root of 27, the cube root of 27, and then the numerator means what you're going to raise the whole radical to. So you raise whatever the cube root of 27 is to 4. And this still equals 2x minus 1. So the cube root of 27, this is one you should memorize. It's one of the perfect cube roots, but if you don't know it, you can either plug in your calculator or you can just kind of think it out in your head. What you have to do is think what to the third power equals 27, and that'd be 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. So that's 3 squared times 3 again, so 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 to the third power equals 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. And this is where you have to raise it to the fourth power. You have to bring this down and raise it to the fourth power. This still equals 2x minus 1. Then 3 to the fourth, you can just either write it out or you can plug in your calculator. It equals 81, and that equals 2x minus 1. And then you just solve the rest of the equation like a normal algebraic equation. So 81 equals 2x minus 1. You add 1 on both sides to isolate the variable. So 82 equals 2x. Then you divide by 2 to isolate the variable. So x equals 41. And there's your answer. X equals 42. That's how you solve algebraically for the expression log with the base 27, 2x minus 1 equals 4 over 3. And thank you for watching. This was a video brought to you by Teach